How many times have you opened the manual for your sewing machine? Maybe when you first got it, or when you've had problems with stitching or completing a project? Hello and welcome. Welcome. I'm Geraldine Wilkins, the Living Water Quilter. We need to have not just our sewing machine manual, but this book has a lot of information, troubleshooting information for makers, for sewers, for people who sew. Let's take a close look. Sewing machine reference tool, a troubleshooting guide to loving your sewing machine again. There's nothing like having a sewing machine and you can't use it, especially if you enjoy sewing and making. Table of contents, a lot of sections, tension, needles, your presser foot, reverse and forward stitching, buttonholes. They talk about needle plate damage. Okay, troubleshooting guide right there. The problem in column 1, possible causes in column 2, and then what to do. This is one problem: skipping stitches, shredding, and breaking thread. And these are all the possible causes. And here's what to do for each cause. This is a handy guide. And here, this is all about tension. Tension in the relationship. Top tension. Photo diagrams. Fantastic. The bobbin tension. I like this. What do you think? Needle plate damage, how to wind bobbins, what you want them to look like. This is a very handy guide. Like how the machine makes stitches. Fantastic book. Learning our machine, knowing how to troubleshoot when there's problems, understanding thread and needles. And this guide offers a lot of information.